Well, in today's video, I'm going to take you through how you can mirror from your iPhone to your Samsung TV. In a quick few easy steps, you can watch your YouTube videos, other information on your Samsung TV. So let's get started. If you found value in this video, please like and subscribe at the end. On your iPhone, go into settings. Down in the search, type in Airplay. Make sure the settings are the same as mine on my phone. And make sure it's automatic. For automatic AirPlay. On your remote, go into settings, then press the buttons to go down to general. Press the button to go across to network and then tap down. Then go into open network settings. Then it's got wireless. And then it should show you your Wi-Fi settings in there. And at the top you can see my Wi-Fi network. So to get out of all these settings, just press the return on your remote. And then you go across using the tabs like before. Go across to general and to AirPlay settings. Go into there by pressing the middle button. And you can select whether you require a code first time, second time, all the different options for the AirPlay. Then again, if you want to get out of that, just go into return and then you can get out of it. On your iPhone, go into settings, then tap on Wi-Fi. Make sure you're on the same network as your TV. At the top of your phone and just pull down. There you can see two little boxes. Tap on the two little boxes and you can see screen mirroring. It will show the TV that you want to connect to. Tap on there and it should start mirroring on your TV. You may need to input a code.